Are you able to watch?
Yes, you're completely visible. The one name with Galaxy, जिसका Galaxy name show हो रहा है, Vivo show हो रहा है, please, start with your ramp walk. Anjali, please start with your ramp walk. The one with the purple top, please start with your ramp walk. इसने पर्पल टॉप पहन रखा है, व्हाइट कलर के earbuds लगा रखे हैं. Yes, I'm talking to you with the purple top. Hello. Yes, please start with your ramp walk. आप ramp walk start कर सकते हैं. Thank you. Yes, Mohini, Sara, please sit back, relax. Freya, I would request you, please sit back, relax. Anjali, start with your ramp walk. The one with Jaya, you have completed your ramp walk?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So it must be pretty much clear. Thank you. The one with Vivo Galaxy A2, the purple top, purple dress, the beautiful outfit. You may sit back, relax, and we can have your introduction one by one. Mohini, you wanted to say something? Yeah, please.
It is Mrs. India FSIA audition. I am I right?
Yes, absolutely. I just welcome you all to the FCI platform only for Miss and Mrs.
I received today message Miss India. So I confused.
We have two projects going on, that is the Miss India and the Mrs. India. Okay?
Okay, okay. Ma'am, मैं अपना introduction दे देती हूँ.
We will proceed with that. Please mute yourself. Okay, so let's welcome Harry ma'am, the coordinator. She will taking your introduction. Please make sure your introduction should be short, stating your name, age, hobbies, and why you wanted to win the crown. Okay?
Thank you, Shefali. Thank you so much. And welcome, ladies. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good. And my, what lovely participants, what lovely smiles. So I hope you guys are all set. So I'd request all of you to mute yourself, please, so that there is no echo while somebody is speaking. With the username Galaxy A2 code. Yeah, thank you so much. Please अपने आप को mute पे रखिए. And again, just like Shefali mentioned, welcome to Forever Star India. Let's start with your introduction. I am here to know more about you people. I am sure आप लोग unique, interesting individuals हैं who are here with your dreams, your passion. So let's start. I will be taking on the introduction one-on-one. So let's start with Mohini, who is very excited. I seem to start with an introduction. Hi Mohini, how are you? Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए so that I can hear you.
Hi ma'am, I'm good. I hope you all are good.
Please start with your introduction. Yeah.
Yes ma'am. My name is Mohini and I am from New Delhi, West Patel Nagar, and I'm 29 years old. Right now, I'm working in Quality Counseling of India, government office. So I was small dream with कि मैं थोड़ा सा modeling में भी try करूँ. So I was trying my best in crown. So and I'm so happy seeing you. But this is my first audition with you.
Okay. ठीक है मोहिनी, मेरा भी आपसे पहली बार मिलना हो रहा है, yourself, so you don't have to be nervous. You can be just as normal as you are. So, you know, and Mohini, now tell me, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual?
Ma'am, my hobbies is dancing and traveling. And Mrs. India, it's a small big मतलब मैंने सिर्फ ट्राई करने के लिए किया है कि मैं सिलेक्ट होती हूँ नहीं होती, बट इट इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम, सो यू आल्सो नो.
That's okay. यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया आपके एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आपका पैशन है. If you are passionate enough, which I think you are, because आप, you know, it takes a lot of courage. एक स्क्रीन पे, एक वर्चुअल स्क्रीन पे बैठना और अपने बारे में बात करना बहुत हिम्मत और हौसला लगता है. So thank you so much अपने बारे में बताने के लिए. I'll just move forward and I just request you to mute yourself. All right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
You look so beautiful today.
So do you.
I'm Sarah Reis, ma'am, and my age is 22. I just turned 22 in this, like, 29 July. I just turned 22, and this, like, I came here because I had, since 16 years, when I was 16, I have dreamed to became a model and something like a huge, like, want to do something more exciting, more and more exciting. So yeah, that is why I'm here. I got this platform. I'm so glad that I got this platform over here to came out with this. Due to some reason, I didn't, try due to studies and stuff. So I just complete my graduation and I'm here with you.
Okay, it's an absolute pleasure to have you here with us. And now,
Yeah. So as I,
what do you enjoy as an individual?
ma'am, there are a lot of hobbies about me. Like, I play guitar. I love to play guitar, and I play tennis as well. I'm a dancer, singer as well. So yeah, this is the main hobbies of mine.
That's interesting. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
For letting
thank you, ma'am. And I want crown badly. I want it.
Why not? Why not?
Yeah.
You're one step ahead to it. You have completed your first step today. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
And I shall get back to you in a while. Let me just proceed to the one with the username Vivo1716. क्या आप please अपने आप को unmute कर सकती हैं? Hi, can I please have your name first?
Ma'am, my name is Rajni.
Rajni. Okay. Hi, Rajni. How are you?
I am good. How are you, ma'am?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please start with your introduction.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rajni. I am 23-year-old. I am from Delhi. I did my graduation in BCom from Delhi University. Now I am pursuing MCom, as well as I am trying this audition because this is my first time. I never did any audition. I have no idea about any modeling or.
Okay. Rajni, are you nervous?
Little bit.
You don't have to be. It's okay. I am not here to judge you. आप लोग अपने आप में ही बहुत interesting individuals हैं. I am just here to know more about you guys. You know कि आप किस passion के साथ इस platform पे आना चाहते हैं. So don't worry. You did pretty well. आपका exam खत्म हो चुका है. So you don't have to be nervous. I just want to know, why do you want to be on Forever Star India? आपका क्या सपना है Forever Star India के platform के साथ?
मैम, बिकॉज मैं लाइफ में कुछ करना चाहती हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ कुछ ऐसा करूँ कि मतलब जिसके बेस पे मैं कुछ अलग कर पाऊँ अपनी लाइफ में. और ये मॉडलिंग और फैशन, ये चीजों मेरा शुरू से इंटरेस्ट था, पर मुझे कुछ मतलब कोई ऐसी लाइन कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे लाइफ में क्या करना चाहिए. तो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम में ट्राई किया है. इससे पहले ना कोई मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है और ना कुछ है. हेलो.
Okay, thank you Rajni अपने बारे में बताने के लिए. And you know, I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value, no matter if you hold an
Thank you.
The one with the username Galaxy A2 code, it's a humble request if you could mute yourself.
वीडियो कॉलिंग तो हो रहा है.
Thank you. And let's proceed with Shreya. Hi Shreya.
Hi, Harry.
How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
Okay, please proceed with your introduction.
So I would tell hi to the judges and to my fellow contestants. Good luck with your all desires and everything. So hi, I'm Shreya and I'm 24. I'm working with Goldman Sachs in audit team. So I'm an auditor basically. And since my childhood, I have been passionate or personifying many beauty holders. So I somewhere thought maybe I could see myself one time there, being in touch with this kind of celebration. So I think beauty pageant for me is celebration of beauty. It gives us the honor or acknowledgement for the talent and beauty we already have within ourselves. And it's like many uh, different kind of talents, mindset, ethnicity, cultures come together. They compete with each other. They learn from each other. So this is something like a dynamic change within ourselves. And I personally feel that I want to see that kind of world because we've been studying with books, we've been with our laptop in a very virtual world. But this will something, it'll be like a give and take policy. I give something, I learn something. So I'm really very happy being in this platform, and it's just that it's making me very happy. And this is the first time I've given audition via virtual thing. So this is also giving a good benefit that I am getting to know much about people and their ethnicity, everything. Whoever wins the crown, but the thing I would be very happy about that forever Miss India is giving us the opportunity to come together, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you so much. And my hobbies are dancing. I love reading books. I love traveling. I'm not a foodie, but I love little different tastes and ethnicity of places where I travel. Apart from that, I'm a very poetic person. I love reading poets, and Shakespeare is my favorite.
That's interesting, Shreya. You have decoded the value of beauty pageants very, very beautifully. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Yeah.
And I'd just like to ask one more question. What brings you here, Shreya? I'm sure that you understood the whole idea of beauty pageant, celebrating beauty. But what are your personal aspirations and dreams that are associated to Forever Star India?
Yeah, so the thing is, I see platform beauty pageants. It gives us a platform to cherish our dreams, or it gives us wings we always dreamed of. So I want to use that wings and create something very different or dynamic to myself. This will give me recognition or achievement I've always dreamed of. So this brings me here. I see myself doing much better using this platform because कहीं से तो शुरुआत करनी पड़ेगी तो I wanted to do something very, very innovative. And I think beauty pageant like this will definitely give us that opportunity. And I'm waiting for that opportunity to come into a reality because we have always been dreaming about that. So yeah, reality is something I'm looking for.
Makes complete sense, Shreya. Thank you so much for letting me know about your aspirations. And I shall move forward and get back to you in a while. Let's hear it from Jaya now. Hi, Jaya. Can we please have your video and audio?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
Ma'am, you look really beautiful. First of all, I would say that.
Thank you. How sweet is that? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, this is Jaya Gupta, and I am from West Bengal, the city of joy, Kolkata. And I'm a student right now. I'm in like second year of my college, and I'm pursuing bachelor's in technology right now. So, yeah, and my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and actually there are various other hobbies. I like to do whatever gives me a sense of happiness. Also, as a part of my hobby, like I like helping people as well. And that's why I have joined National Service Scheme, which is a club in my college. I hope you know that about National Service Scheme. So basically in this, we help the underprivileged people. So this was all about me. So I like all of these things, and yeah.
Okay, Jaya, first of all, you're very photogenic, by the way. And second, now getting on to the meteor part, what are your aspirations? You have so many different hobbies from all this kind of possible, fields. What brings you here? What is your dream to Forever Star India that you want to?
Ma'am, actually, I I like to be fashionable, and I want to be a model, and that's the reason why I have also joined the fashion club in my college, which is a very famous one at least in my college, and it's a renowned one in the city as well. So I have joined that as well. So this was a very good opportunity for me to showcase my skills and talent here, and I think that rather than engineering skills, I can showcase my other skills here. So yeah, I wanted to be, and I am really passionate about winning the crown. So yeah, I said that why not give it a try? It's my first time, but still I want to give it a try.
For sure, why try? You will win,
Yes.
I'm sure. And passion speaks for yourself, and for that is applicable for all you lovely ladies across this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jaya. I shall move forward to Aishwarya. Hi, Aishwarya.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hi. Hi. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, I will. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So yeah, tell me please.
Well, I'm a doctor and I am working in Chennai as of now, and I'm pursuing my master's here. I'm 24 and I'm Aishwarya here. To talk a little bit about me, I love classical dance. I am a professional Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, and Mohiniyattam dancer. Apart from that, I am also a classical singer. And and I don't know what else about me. That's it.
Okay, that's really interesting. I'm sure that you have pretty much achieved a pretty talented part of your field so far. So now coming to my part, which I have to ask is, why Forever Star India? Why do you want to join this platform? What are your aspirations?
Okay, so I honestly feel that the person who wins the crown gets to make a great impact in the society, and it is not only for the beauty. The impact that they create in the society is like really commendable and achievable. So once we reach that position, the change that we bring really matters to a lot of people. So I think the thought process for me as a doctor, I would like to bring a lot of changes to the community, and I see how people suffer every day. So yeah, the change that I would bring would be much more meaningful than my peers, is what I think. And also as a woman, I think it's a great opportunity to showcase my talent on this side as well.
Makes absolute sense, Aishwarya. First of all, thank you so much. Since you are going to become a doctor, you're going to add a lot of value to this society.
I am a doctor. I am working as of now.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
So congratulations, and thank you for adding a lot of value to the society by default, like I already mentioned. So yeah, I shall move forward and get back to you in a while. Thank you so much for that. Let's hear from Anjali now, who is waiting since really long. Hi Anjali, how are you?
हाय मैम, हेलो, कैसे हो मैम?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए कैसी हैं आप?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ। मैं पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ। मैम कोई इशू तो नहीं है अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, आप हिंदी में बोलिए। मतलब मुझे सिर्फ हिंदी और इंग्लिश समझ आती है अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
ओके मैम। मैम मेरा नाम अंजलि है, मैं चंडीगढ़ से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मेरी एज है 22 और मेरी हॉबी है डांसिंग एंड एक्टिंग। ओके मैम, और मैं क्राउन इसलिए पाना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी जो फैमिली है ना, वो ये सब चीजों पे, इन सब चीजों को ना मानती नहीं है कि नहीं एक्टिंग वगैरह नहीं करनी है, ये सब चीजें नहीं करनी है। तो अभी मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से मनाया उनको। मेरे को मतलब बचपन से ये था, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे ये सब चीजें नहीं करनी है। मेरा बचपन से ये था कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूं कि मेरी जो पूरी फैमिली है ना वो देखे, ठीक है। और मैं ये पाना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे को क्राउन जरूर मिले, कि मेरी फैमिली भी खटके देखे कि हाँ हमारी बेटी ने कुछ किया है। ओके मैम, दैट्स इट।
आपकी बात बिल्कुल समझ रही हूँ। एंड अंजलि, एक एडवाइस है, आगे से आपको कभी पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ। आपकी लैंग्वेज आपके सपनों के बीच में नहीं आनी चाहिए। आपके
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम। ओके मैम।
मुझे ये बताइए कि आप एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं या आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं?
मैम देखो, अगर मॉडल बन जाते हैं तो एक्टर तो मतलब इक्वल ही हो जाता है एक तरह से ये।
मतलब बेसिकली आपका सपना एक्टिंग है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, राइट?
यस मैम, यस मैम।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
फर्स्ट स्टेप है जो मैंने उठाया अपने उससे।
बिल्कुल मेक सेंस, मैं समझ रही हूँ आपकी वैल्यू ऑफ इमोशंस। सो थैंक यू सो मच अंजलि अपने बारे में इतनी खूबसूरती से बात करने के लिए। सो मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू म्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम एंजल खान। हाय एंजल। जिनका नाम Realme XT, I think her audio is not connected. Wait, let me check. Shifali, could you please check with the Angel's audio? She has not joined the audio, yeah.
We can proceed with Anashika.
Okay. Have I missed out on anyone? We're done, right? I think we're done. All right. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for putting across yourself so beautifully. मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके, and it's an absolute pleasure to know that women like you are joining the platform of Forever Star India. You guys are the future of our community. And when I say a community, Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We have organized various award shows before, and this is, this is just a means to create a large platform for women who are passionate, talented, and just want to prove themselves out there. I am sure आप लोगों ने अब तक एक चीज realize कर ली होगी that you guys are so different from each other. But the one thing that binds all of you is, the sapna to create a unique identity. अपनी एक unique पहचान बनाने का जो सपना है, that survives for everybody, right? So, that brings me to the congratulatory part. Congratulations, all of you, for, completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It's an absolute pleasure, like I mentioned, to have you guys here today. Thank you so much for sharing out your details. It was so much fun. And now coming to the meteor part, that you would receive the information, because I'm sure, जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, you would also want to know what kind of platform you are joining in. To give out the basic details, the audition report. Now, you will be receiving an audition report via WhatsApp or email once you complete the audition within 48 hours, barring the Sunday, of course, because weekend hai. So, uske baad 48 hours mein aapko aapka audition report mil jayega. Now, why an audition report? No other beauty pageant in India has so far, or across the world, has so far gone ahead with the process of audition report. If you are even a little bit aware of how pageants work, usually audition ke baad ek yes or no aa jata hai. But for us, it's different, because for us, we are trying to ensure a very transparent process. Aaj subah aap log uthe, you guys were like, aaj mera audition hai, you did your makeup, you chose your best dress, you were like, I have to build the confidence to talk about myself no matter what. And for us, that counts as an effort. And we want to appreciate that effort by those little details. And that is where an audition report comes into the picture, because the audition report will give you clarity कि आप select हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं. And if you are selected, why have you been selected? Because you should know every input deserves an output. And that's just a little token of appreciation from our end. And that's not it. The audition report is going to be valid for a period of lifetime, which means कि आपको Forever Star India के coming pageants में कोई भी audition दोबारा नहीं देना पड़ेगा. So that's a value in itself. It's going to act like a certificate signed by the jury members authentically. And, moving forward, what is Forever Star India? There is nobody better than the director of the company Forever Star India to talk about it. Our boss lady indeed, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, she's here with us, and I would request her to take over. Over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to all of you beautiful ladies. First of all, congratulations on successfully giving your audition today. I could, see some confident ladies talking about themselves, who have so much clarity that what they want to be and how do they want to make a difference in this society. So yeah, let me just repeat one thing again, that Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We are creating a community of strong and passionate women like you. We are here to motivate each other. We are here to inspire each other, and we will be there for each other for like forever once you clear this audition. So as soon as you receive your audition report, the details for audition report have been given to you by Harry, right? So you will be receiving your audition reports most probably by Monday or Tuesday. So if you are selected, on your instant selection, we will be starting with your training and grooming sessions, right? So it is a process of 3 to 4 months, wherein every week, once or twice, a team of experts is going to train you to become a better version of yourself. Yeah, so this team of 150 plus experts includes image consultants. We have motivational speakers here. We have ramp walk experts here. We have pageant groomers here. So we are actually going to work on your personality, on making you the best version of yourself, because सब में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी चीज होती है, right? We have our own strengths, we have our own capabilities, but we just need to identify those, right? And we cannot do that on our own. आपको पता है that you are good at something. Maybe you're good at singing, maybe you're good at modeling, maybe you're good at acting, maybe you're good at dancing, right? But we need someone to motivate us, and these trainers are going to do that. These trainers are going to help you in identifying your capabilities, your strengths, and we are going to work on your strengths. And step by step, we are going to move towards the grand finale of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. Now you must be thinking, कि इस time में, when the pandemic has totally taken across the world, and we cannot move out, we cannot travel, we cannot be with a lot of people. So how are the training going to happen? Trainings कैसे होंगी? So जिस तरीके से आप अभी इस स्क्रीन के अक्रॉस बैठ के अपना ऑडिशन दे रहे हैं, in the same manner, you are going to appear for your training sessions. You are going to appear for your virtual rounds of selection. यानी कि आपकी training and grooming, आपके जो talent rounds हैं, everything is going to happen virtually. There's only one thing that will happen in an offline mode, and that is the grand finale. Yeah, so we will be taking things step by step. You will be trained, you will be appearing for your talent round. Again, you'll be trained, you will be appearing for your talent round. And then we will be selecting a city winner from every city. हर city से एक city winner select किया जाएगा. All the city winners are going to come together for the selection of state winner. यानी कि city winner, first state winner, and then the national winner. तो चाहे आप किसी भी level पे winner बनते हैं, you will be coming either to Goa or to Jaipur for wearing your crown. ठीक है, ट्रेनिंग ग्रूमिंग ऑनलाइन होगी, लेकिन आपको क्राउन लाइव पहनाया जाएगा, and this event is going to be a grand event which will be covered by the major media houses across the country. Because क्राउन कौन ऑनलाइन पहनना चाहता है? इमेजिन आपको सिटी विनर अगर आपकी सिटी से सिलेक्ट कर लिया, अनाउंस कर दिया, लेकिन वो फीलिंग नहीं आएगी. या आई एम श्योर यू वुड वांट टू जस्ट वॉक डाउन द रैंप इन दोस ब्यूटीफुल couture gowns, and your makeup is done by the makeup experts, and then you're wearing it in front of the whole country, and you are covered live by these media houses. So that will be an altogether different feeling. उसको हम लास्ट के लिए रखते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले क्या होगा? उससे पहले आपकी बहुत ही एक्सटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग और ग्रूमिंग होगी, for which you will have to work extremely hard, right? When you say मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ, मैं ऐसे करना चाहती हूँ, मैं ऐसे डिफरेंस लाना चाहती हूँ सोसाइटी में, so that's not so easy, especially for us women. We have a lot to do, right? We are managing so much altogether. We are into multitasking. We are managing our homes, we are managing our work, and if you're married, you're managing your kids as well. Yes, but we have this, थोड़ा सा corner for our aspirations. तो उस aspirations वाले area को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाते हैं. Let's give in some time for grooming ourselves, right? और उसमें हम आपकी help करने वाले हैं. If you say that I'm free during the mornings, then we will be putting you up in a morning batch. If you're working and you're only free during the evenings, we will be placing you in an evening batch. And once or twice a week, you will be appearing for these training and grooming sessions. And gradually, we will be looking at the grand finale, and the association does not end here. When we've named the platform as Forever Star India, Forever Miss and Mrs. India 2021, then it totally means that this association is going to be forever. Even after the pageant, chahe aapko crown mile ya na mile, you will see a huge difference in your personality. You will be more confident. You'll know ki kaise walk karna hai, kaise makeup karna hai, how to present yourselves, how to present your thoughts effectively in front of a lot of people. Yeah, uske baad, you will be given a lot of business opportunities here on this platform. If you're capable enough, if you really understand after these trainings कि मैं सच में ये करना चाहती हूँ, I'm working towards improving yourself, then we will be giving you opportunities. We will be launching our own OTT platform, जैसे Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, all of us have been relying on these platforms. So Forever Star India अपना खुद का OTT platform launch करेगा. And then if you say you want to be an actor, if you said you want to be a singer, you want to be a model, then we will be giving that opportunity to you directly. There will be no middleman involved. Normally hota hai na, that those who want to get into this world of glamour, they need to have really, really strong contacts. Mumbai jate hain, they try, a lot of problems they face there. But here, it is totally going to be about your capabilities and your passion. If you are capable, you're working towards your goals, we will be directly giving that opportunity to you. Okay? Secondly, इसके अलावा भी और बहुत सारे benefits हैं. Once you become an official participant, you will be getting Google ranking here, Google पे directly. If your name is written with Forever Miss India or Forever Mrs. India, your name will come on top. Right, which again no one across the country is doing. And why are we doing it? हम आपको इतनी सारी चीजें क्यों दे रहे हैं? Because we want to empower each one of you. Right? जब हम कहते हैं कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं वो नहीं कर सकती, let's give all of you that platform so that you feel empowered enough to present your talent in front of the world. Now, coming to the beauty pageant, as soon as you receive your audition report and you are clear about it, that you've cleared the audition, then you will have to pay a fee of 4,000 rupees plus GST. Is 4,000, excuse me, is 4,000 plus GST mein, you will be getting this lifetime membership, right? You will be getting these training and grooming sessions, और जितने भी मैंने बहुत सारे benefits अभी यहाँ पे बताए हैं, you will be entitled to all of that, right? So this minimal fee of participation, you will have to pay for becoming an official participant of Miss and Mrs. India, and there are no hidden charges apart from this. Yes. So now, if there's anything that you could not understand, anything that you would want to know from our side, please feel free to ask any questions. Okay, everybody is clear? All clear about everything? Okay, even after today, अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे ये पूछना है, then you have the access to our customer support team. आप उनसे कॉल पे बात कर सकते हैं. Yes, Sarah, please tell me.
Ma'am, I just want to tell you that you look beautiful. Just want to say this only, that you look beautiful.
All right, thank you so much. That's really sweet of you to say that. And yeah, so what I was saying is कि अगर आपको कोई भी doubt हो तो आप हमारी customer support team से भी contact कर सकते हैं, उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. But yeah, before getting on this platform, Harry is going to share our details of Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Do go through these, our channels and social media handles, so that you have a better clarity about how we're taking the training sessions, what kind of trainers we have on board. Okay, so somebody's right. So as Harry always says, research karna bahut zaruri hai investment se pehle. So if you are coming here on this platform, do go through everything. हर सारी details निकालिए, videos देखिए हमारी YouTube पे, Facebook, Instagram पे participants, because we already have close to 1,000 participants from India. Yeah, we've covered all the states across the country. तो आप देखिए किस तरह के पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, उनमें कितना डिफरेंस आया है, उनकी ट्रेनिंग एंड ग्रूमिंग कैसे चल रही है, and how are we going to be there for each other. Yeah, so let's be positive, let's motivate each other, let's inspire each other, and fingers crossed, I'm hoping most of you just make it through this audition. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, lovely ladies, for your special time today. I appreciate, each one of you. Thank you so much for being here with us today. I have shared the details of Forever Star India into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot, and we shall really meet you soon in the training sessions, virtually. So yeah, thank you so much for your time today, and I shall see you really soon. Thank you. All the best, and have a lovely evening ahead. So I'd request you guys to leave the meeting because I have to continue with Angel, who has just joined. Hi, Angel. I can finally hear from you. Can you please unmute yourself? Okay. Angel, Realme XT, जिनका username है. Can you please unmute yourself?
Ma'am, I should go now.
Yes, yes. For all you guys have completed. So yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. हाय एंजल, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करें, माइक पे क्लिक करें, वहां पे लेफ्ट पे एक माइक आइकॉन होगा। मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हैं। हाय एंजल, फाइनली हम आपको सुन पा रहे हैं। कैसी हैं आप?
मैम मैं ठीक हूँ, आप बताइए।
मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
माय नेम इज एंजल खान।
क्या आप नर्वस हैं?
यस मैम।
कोई बात, आराम से। मैं आपको जज करने के लिए नहीं बैठी हूँ। जैसे हम अपने दोस्तों से, अपने परिवार से बात करते हैं, वैसे मुझे बस आपके बारे में जानना है। तो शुरू करें फिर से। तो अपने बारे में बताइए, अपनी हॉबीज, और आप यहाँ पे क्यों हैं, आप ये क्राउन क्यों जीतना चाहती हैं, मैं इस बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ। सो टेल मी एंजल।
मैं एक मॉडर्न घर से हूँ, पहली बात ये है। और ये है कि सब लोगों को पता है कि मॉडर्न में लड़कियों की इतनी छूट नहीं है, हर चीज करने की इजाजत नहीं होती उन्हें। तो मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हर लड़की की एक सपना होती है जो करना चाहती है, चाहे वो मॉडर्न हो या फिर किसी भी धर्म में हो। मैं चाहती हूँ उन्हें पूरी आजादी दी जाए, उनके सपने को पूरा करने के लिए उन्हें फ्रीडम दिया जाए हर एक चीज करने के लिए। लेकिन
जी, मैं सुन रही हूँ आपको।
लेकिन नहीं मिलती उन्हें आजादी। उनके सपने कुछ लोगों के होते हैं पूरे, लेकिन सबके नहीं होते। जैसे मेरे सपने पूरे नहीं होते, कुछ रह जाते हैं। लेकिन मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस फील्ड में मैं आऊँ, अपने आप को दिखाऊं कि मैं भी कुछ हूँ, मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ। लड़की में तो क्या हुआ, मैं आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ। मैं लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ और ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि जरूरी नहीं है कि लोग किसी भी धर्म में हो, लेकिन लड़कियां ही हमेशा पीछे रह जाती है। और मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि जिस भी धर्म में हो, आगे बढ़ने के लिए एक बार कोशिश जरूर करना चाहिए।
जी बिल्कुल, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा, और आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही हैं, तो आपको नर्वस होने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो एंजल, अब मुझे ये बताइए, आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं, आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
मुझे घूमना पसंद है, ट्रेवल करना बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, लोगों के बारे में जानना पसंद है मुझे। मतलब न्यू न्यू कल्चर के बारे में जानना पसंद है, न्यू न्यू ड्रेस अप करना पसंद है।
ठीक है। एंड कुछ और आप ऐड करना चाहेंगी? आप कुछ और एंजॉय करती हैं, डांसिंग, सिंगिंग या समथिंग लाइक दैट?
यस मैम, सिंग थोड़ी बहुत कर लेती, लेकिन आवाज उतनी अच्छी नहीं है। लेकिन कर लेते घर में। डांसिंग थोड़ी बहुत कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन मतलब डांसिंग और सिंगिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, पर ट्राई करती हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं, जो चीज आप दिल से करते हैं वो हमेशा अच्छी होती है, तो आपको बोलने की जरूरत है ही नहीं कि आप अच्छा नहीं करती, है ना। तो एंजल, थैंक यू सो मच। आज ऑलरेडी आपने कीर्ति में आपको सुन लिया होगा टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेटफॉर्म। आई एम श्योर यू हर्ड हर। So that completes your audition. It's your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. आपका सपने की तरफ आपका पहला कदम। एंड हमारे लिए बहुत ही बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू हैव यू ऑन बोर्ड एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप बहुत आगे तक जाएंगी. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अपना वक्त देने के लिए एंड हैव अ लवली इवनिंग अहेड. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू मैडम.
अंजलि, आप भी मीटिंग लीव कर सकती हैं, आपका ऑडिशन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. Shreyashi, hi Shreyashi, have you just joined in? एंजल, खत्म हो गया, एग्जाम टाइम ओवर. आप पानी पी लीजिए, बढ़िया अपना एंजॉय कीजिए और ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट की वेट कीजिए जो आपको ट्यूसडे तक भेज दी जाएगी इस क्लैरिटी के साथ कि आप सिलेक्टेड हैं या नहीं. ठीक है?
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
ख्याल रखिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप मीटिंग लीव कर सकते हैं.
ओके मैम.
Shefali, can we have Shreyashi?